Hello everybody, welcome back. Recent Disney Investor Day has provided us with exciting news about new MCU movies and shows. In case you want to be aware of the announcements of all 25 upcoming movies and TV shows, this video is just for you. So, let's find out what we should expect from these awesome projects. We'd like to start with the news related to the upcoming releases of the new Disney Plus series. WandaVision will become the first TV series, which will continue expanding the MCU. The new trailer shows us the return of the Mind Stone and matured Monica Rambeau. Right now, WandaVision is scheduled to premiere on Disney Plus on the 15th of January. Also, Kevin Feige has presented the new trailer for The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Some fans have already noticed the bickering chemistry between Sam Wilson and Bucky Barnes, as well as the return of Zemo and the introduction of a new villain, Flag Smasher. Additionally, in May 2021, the fans of Loki will get the possibility to enjoy a TV series about their favorite character. The new trailer has also confirmed that the events in the show will take place in an alternate timeline created in Avengers Endgame. And of course, we all were excited to see the What If trailer. It teases the release of an animated anthology that will show alternate versions of classic MCU events, such as Peggy becoming a female version of Captain America, or T'Challa is taken to space by Yondu instead of Quill. The weird things will be viewed through the eyes of Uatu the Watcher, who will be played by Jeffrey Wright. Kevin Feige has also mentioned the Ms. Marvel TV series starring Iman Vellani, aka Kamala Khan. He also provided some footage of this teenage Pakistani superhero. Plus, Feige revealed several details related to the Hawkeye series. The chief creative officer admitted that Vera Farmiga will play Kate Bishop's mother. In addition, we'll see Fra Free as Kazi and Alaqua Cox as Echo. We all were excited to discover the release of She-Hulk starring Tatiana Maslany. And the jaw-dropping news is that the new Disney Plus series will bring back Mark Ruffalo and Tim Roth, who will play Abomination. According to the latest news, the Moon Knight series will amaze the MCU fans with a totally different atmosphere. It'll be an action-adventure inspired by Indiana Jones movies. Also, the presentation included a number of amazing announcements of the new Disney Plus series. At last, the MCU fans will be pleased by Secret Invasion, based on a namesake comic story. The cast of the future show includes Samuel L. Jackson playing Nick Fury and Ben Mendelsohn, who will appear as Talos. Another interesting project is Ironheart, starring Dominique Thorne. The TV series will show us a teenage genius, Riri Williams, who will follow in the footsteps of Tony Stark. Another project which will continue Iron Man's story is Armor Wars, which stars Don Cheadle as James Rhodes. The TV series will show us what may happen when Stark's technologies fall into the wrong hands. The last Disney Plus announcement is I Am Groot, which will show us a series of Baby Groot's adventures. And finally, Disney Investor Day satisfied us with the news about awesome and long-expected MCU movies. The great news is related to Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. According to Kevin Feige, we'll see not only Stephen Strange, Mordo, Wong, Christine Palmer, but also America Chavez, played by Xochitl Gomez. The movie is expected to hit the theaters on the 25th of March 2022 and combine the events which will take place in the upcoming WandaVision and Spider-Man 3. Disney has also announced that Black Widow will be shown exclusively in theaters in May 2021. At the same time, Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings has finally finished the shooting process, and we've discovered the full movie cast. The film is scheduled to premiere on the 9th of July 2021. In addition, now we know that Captain Marvel 2 starring Brie Larson will be directed by Nia DaCosta. Further, Iman Vellani and Teyonah Parris will also join the project. And the amazing news is that James Gunn returns to write and direct the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special for Disney+. It'll be released in winter 2022, while the Guardians of the Galaxy 3 movie is set to hit the theaters in 2023. Feige has also confirmed that Christian Bale will play Gore the God Butcher in the upcoming Thor: Love and Thunder, starring Chris Hemsworth and Natalie Portman. And it looks like we'll see more events taking place in the quantum realm in the new Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. Consider that Kathryn Newton will join the project to recast Cassie Lang, who may become Stature. The superheroes will also face a new villain, Kang the Conqueror, played by Jonathan Majors. It has been announced that Marvel isn't going to recast Black Panther for the sequel in order to honor the legacy of Chadwick Boseman and his King T'Challa. Kevin Feige has also explained that Ryan Coogler is working on the script, which will significantly explore the world of Wakanda. The movie is set for a release in 2022. However, unfortunately, there were no important updates for Chloe Zhao's Eternals or Mahershala Ali's Blade. Everything we know is that Eternals will hit the theaters in November 2021. At the same time, Blade is still looking for a team to start the filmmaking process. And probably the most unexpected and mind-blowing news is the announcement of Fantastic Four, which will be directed by Jon Watts, known for his work on Spider-Man movies starring Tom Holland. And what do you think about the announced MCU projects? Please don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more Marvel updates.